For many businesses, the people approving bills are not sitting at a desk all day. When approvals require them to stop, log in, and track down a bill, it pulls them away from the revenue generating work that matters most. Hi, this is Sean from Makers Hub, and in this video, I want to show you how Makers Hub makes it easy for your team to approve bills directly from their email without needing to log in. Let's look at this through the lens of one of our customers, a construction company based in Lawrence, Kansas. In construction, there are usually multiple jobs running at the same time. Your accounting team may be responsible for coding the bills and keeping AP moving, but they often need project managers to confirm the real world details. Did the material show up? Was the work completed? And does this bill belong to the right job? That confirmation is vital, but the people who have the answers are usually not sitting at a desk. They're out in the field coordinating crews, checking on deliveries, walking job sites, and solving problems in real time. So when a project manager has to stop what they're doing, log into a system, find the bill, review it, and approve it, that extra friction can slow everything down. And as a result, bills sit longer than they should. And accounting has to follow up, and the approval itself becomes the bottleneck. That's where email approvals in Makers Hub come in. Instead of making your approvers go find the bill, Makers Hub brings the approval directly to them. And getting this set up is so simple. First, you're going to click on your name in the top right-hand corner and go to Bill Settings, and then go to Email Notifications and toggle on External Approval. This allows then users to approve bills directly from their inbox. Next, we want to make sure the right users are being notified. If you're using an approval workflow, you can turn on the email notifications from the mail icon here on the approval workflow setup. So in this case, I want Sean to then receive these email notifications when a bill is approved and then assigned to him. Also, if you ever add someone as an additional approver when reviewing a bill, you'll also want to make sure that you toggle on the setting of additional approvers. So to do that, we go back to bill settings, and that's right down here above external approval. Once that's set up, here's what the process looks like. Your AP team will go ahead and code the bill just as they normally would. They would approve it and push it on through the workflow to the project manager. When the bill reaches the project manager, Makers Hub automatically sends them an email with everything they need to review it. Here you can see the individual line items themselves, see what project it was assigned to, the class, the amount, the terms, and then should they want to actually see a copy of the bill itself, they can click that View Record button, which will take them right to the bill. And then from there, they can click the Approve button, and then Makers Hub will then register that this bill has been approved and push it forward into the approval process, in this case, to the Accounts Payable tab. And they can do all this as well directly from their phone. So there's no extra login, there's no chasing people down, no waiting for somebody to get back to their desk. And it's a small change that can make a big difference. Your accounting team gets the approvals they need, your project managers can respond from wherever they are, and your bills keep moving without pulling people away from the work that keeps the business running. If you have any questions, please reach out to us at support@makershub.ai. Thank you.